I think I know what this throw represents. It represents headgear and it also represents a bird's head. And so this arrowhead represents the bird's beak. This crystal, this one, these two, and this one are a part of the bird's face. This arrowhead represents the bird's right eye. These two arrowheads represent feathers on the bird's face. This crystal and this pink one connect to this purple one like this. And then this green one connects to this purple one. And this purple crystal connects to this white one and this arrowhead. And then this arrowhead connects to this purple crystal. And so this is the part of the throw that will be sitting on a person's head. So, yeah.